Come here, you was the quiet one. Yeah, him are the broke bad one. You join the epic bunch.
Oh.
Him.
I say nothing bad.
You understand?
No, say look like say my tape. That no right.
You're already, man.
Bad apple.
So boy, me cannot say him a
So what about that?
No, you.
I broke you out.
You know, say Alistair one never want him, me duke him in my door. How she a call it?
I'm not tall enough. Hold this.
No, I go in your mouth.
Kirsty,
Oh, you're joking ready?
that boy outside this year. You know,
Kirsty, your mommy said you reach the age of consent, so you can take how much money you want take. And that she said, them.
What she, yeah, she says she love it.
She said,
She says she love it.
what she go me son?
As long as she a take man.
Call her master. What she say?
Oh, that one they got me son. So she can't take woman then. You hear that, Kirsty? You never take no girl. Kirsty, listen to me say. She say as long as you take man, and you can't take no girl, no problem with woman.
I see my video you did. You must not see.
I chat you love chat.
Thank you. You mix up there? Who set a mile? Jesus Christ. You my video. Set a mile menstrual film. My menstrual and
Me try to tell you, we don't want the verse, we don't want the edge.
Me don't look at them, I can't go on. You the pay one get cash in. What fetching?
I think they are chatting about video.
Look here, man. Move fast right now. Move fast right now. It's can't believe them, man.